Hi, this is a review of the orderIT system trading activity for August the 25th, 2021. There was 3 trades on that day. All 3 trades were buys. First trade was DVN at Devon Energy Corporation. It tripped at 12:05:03 p.m. at a price of $29.34. It was a buy. It closed the day at 29.24, up 2.49%, below our tripping price, so we need to see if it rises above it at any point. Let's see, 12:05, so roughly around here. 29.17, 29.25, 29.34, 42, 44, 45, 45, 45, 46, 42. 33. So you can see here a good hour to an hour and a half time here in the middle of the afternoon. It was above its tripping price, so that's a good period of time, and it was consistently above, so there was all kinds of opportunity to get out. Okay, volume-wise, not drastic. Not heavily positive. You can see at the end of the day, though, it looked like it was volume was coming down. Averages came up middle afternoon and then dropped in the late afternoon. DI, same thing, came up. Yeah. DI showing that it was recovering at the end of the day, and Bollinger Band, same thing. And there was a point where it came up here in the afternoon, where it's basically stabilized, moves sideways, even though indicators were not so much showing sideways movement. Bollinger Band showing sideways movement, and then days where it dropped in recovery. Stock technically was moving positive for a good portion of the day, so the end result is it's positive. Next trade is VNET. That's 21 Vionet Group Incorporated, tripped at 2:40:07 p.m. at a price of $19.67. Again, it was a buy. It closed the day at 20.32, up 11.65%. You see down 0.15% early morning, but still above its tripping price, so definitely a positive. So it's finished the day above its tripping price. We'll check the indicators. Volume looks like a consistent movement upwards. As at the end of the day, it shot up quite well. MACD moving upwards, end of the day, shot up. DI pretty much paused for most of the day, and Bollinger Band, same thing. The stock technically was moving positive, and at the end of the day, it did shoot up. Next trade is SCSN. That's Sesson Bio Incorporated, tripped at 3:35:02 p.m. at a price of $110. It closed the day at 107, up 1.90%. No movement early morning, at least not right now. 3:35. See, this is where we caught it, where it basically jumped up at its peak and then it leveled off, came back after its peak here, which is where it tripped. Excuse me. Volume here shows that this is where it tripped, where it was coming up, and then volume came off. MACD same came up and dropped off. DI came up, moved sideways. Bollinger Band came up, moved sideways. So it was the end of the day where it obviously caused this rise, where it was moving positive, and it looks like the indicators are showing positive activity, positive movement for the most part at the end of the day. So I'm going to say it's a possible, just because of the fact that the indicators are showing more positive than negative movement. And then that's 3 stocks, so that's 2 out of 3, which again is our 67%, and 3 out of 3, which is our 100%. So not a bad day. Leave it at that.